Ta na 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 ta na 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 let's do this. Let's do
Philippines. Ito ang ginawa namin, pinaghirapan namin.
Taranan, 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 tan, 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 taranan, na, 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 taranan. Welcome back to school.
Back to school.
Kadon, South Central School.
Back to school ulit. Bakit ganun na naman? Ang hirap magsulat para kaming hiyaya.
Mag-break.